word. Today's word is the word fear. My daughter Brittany and I this week were talking about the word fear, and I was telling her that a great acronym for the word fear is false evidence appearing real. You know, there's some things that we fear, the fear of failure, the fear of others, maybe the fear of achieving. There are false things that can come into our life and rob us of our peace and our joy. And I want this week for you to be reminded that God, according to 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7, God has not given you a spirit of fear, but of love, power, and that of a sound mind. Another translation says, God has not given us a spirit of timidity. The Amplified Bible says that the Holy Spirit does not want you to be afraid of people. So as you approach this week, I want you to approach it with confidence and boldness and realize that Eleanor Roosevelt once said, do the thing that you fear and the death of fear is certain. And so I want all of the fears in your life this week to be certain to be put to death, because instead of giving in to your fears, you give in to the joy and the peace of the Lord. This is Pastor Billy Joe Watts reminding you, live out this week for Christ and for others, and always remember, keep standing on the rock.